In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. To get started, open the Discord app or access Discord through your web browser and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, take a look at the left-hand side where all of your servers are displayed. If you already belong to several servers, you may need to scroll down until you reach the bottom of the server list. There, you'll find the Add a Server button. Click on it to continue. After selecting the Add a Server option, choose Join a Server. This will open a small window where you can enter an invitation link. In the invite field, carefully type the invitation exactly as provided. Make sure every letter is entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the invitation from working. Once you've entered the correct invite, click the Join Server button to proceed. If the invite is valid, you'll be welcomed into the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. At this point, you'll usually see a welcome message introducing the community and providing some important information for new members. Before you do anything else, take a few moments to read through the server rules carefully. These rules are there to help keep the community friendly, organized, and enjoyable for everyone. After reading the rules, you'll need to complete the server's verification process before you can fully participate. Many gaming communities use a verification service to confirm that members are legitimate. You'll receive a verification message with instructions that guide you through linking your Roblox account with your Discord account. Simply follow each step shown during the verification process. Read the instructions carefully and complete each part until the verification is finished successfully. Once your account has been verified, your access to the server will be updated automatically. You'll then be able to view the available channels, participate in conversations, keep up with announcements, and interact with other members of the Strongest Battlegrounds community. That's all there is to joining the Strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to become a verified member and start enjoying everything the community has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,